How to recover the deleted comments in Instagram. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can recover your deleted comments in Instagram. Make sure you have installed the latest version of Instagram on your device so that you won't miss out any new features for that. After that, you can simply open your Instagram, and after you've opened your Instagram, you just tap on your profile, which is on the down right side, and after that you can see there is three vertical lines on the top right side. Tap on there, tap on the your activity option. Now when you scroll down and down, you will see the very option of recently deleted, where you will see the post that you have recently deleted or archived here. So yeah, you want to see the comments that you have recently deleted, then recover it. So you cannot see the very option to recover it directly. So what you can do is you can go on the download your information option. When you go there, you can choose your Instagram account and download your information on your device. Doing this, it will be downloaded on your device in a file or something like that, and your problem would be solved. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, then please do thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. How you can recover your deleted comments in Instagram. Make sure you have installed the latest version of Instagram on your